Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are explore an amazing topic of Photoshop, how to create investor pitch slide design using custom shapes. First we create a new canvas using presentation dimensions for investor. Then we draw clean rectangular custom shapes to build the slide structure. After that, we use rounded shape to highlight key financial metrics. Next, we apply subtle gradient inside shapes to add a premium feel. Now we align all shapes using grid spacing for clarity. After placing icons inside shapes, we add short investor focus text. Finally, we export this